This side has nothing on it. You can see my pores. Hey team, welcome back to my channel. I have another review for you today, and it is another skin product. It's from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's an American cosmetic brand. It is a quote-unquote face primer. It's going to blur fine lines and hide your pores and all of that stuff. Now, traditionally, you'd be using this primer before you put on foundation or makeup. What these products look like, do these products actually work and remove the visibility of pores and fine lines and all of that on a man's skin without makeup? What is important to note before I start filming and getting into this is I gave this product every chance it could to work. I have shaved, I got a good night's sleep, I shaved, I've moisturized, I've used shaving rash ointment on my neck to make sure that there are no blemishes or anything like that. So my skin is nice and smooth and ready to go. We have a new review, team. This time it is the Prep and Blur Stick by e.l.f. Now this is a face primer that people usually use underneath makeup. I looked it up. However, I saw a clip on YouTube about a guy who actually wears this to mask fine lines. He doesn't actually wear makeup. So what we're going to do is we're going to be reviewing e.l.f. Prep and Blur Stick on men's skin without makeup. Alright, we have the e.l.f. Prep and Blur Stick. It is supposed to blur the look of imperfections and minimize the appearance of pores while priming the skin. Again, I'm not going to be using this for makeup. I don't wear makeup. I'm using this to see if it does decrease the visibility of pores and fine lines. This silicone-free primer stick blurs the look of pores, fine lines and imperfections while providing a smooth base for makeup application. The universal color works on all skin tones and can be used alone for a naturally soft focused look, which is what I'm going to be doing. Infused with witch hazel to help absorb excess oil. Directions: twist the stick and apply all over the face in circular motions, blend in with fingertips. Follow with your favorite e.l.f. foundation. Won't be doing that. Let's crack this open. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it looks kind of foundation-y. Hopefully it doesn't like have color. So the areas that I'm going to be applying are the textured areas here. You can see my pores here. The textured areas here, and fine lines up on my forehead. What you can't see is there is a mirror behind this camera. Actually, I'll just spin you around. There you go. So I'll be looking at myself in the mirror as I'm applying. Let me set you back down. Let's do it. I will, when I put it on, I'm gonna do one side with it on and then one side without, and we'll see if we can tell a difference. Now this says it's not supposed to be, like it won't give you color, it doesn't have pigment, but I can see it. I've decided as I apply, I'm actually gonna just use the camera as a mirror because the lighting over here is really not that great. So, do we see a blurring effect? You know what, I actually do. This side has nothing on it. You can see my pores. Whereas this side is very, well, it's not very, but it's minimized. You can still see the pores here. It does say that you need to work it in with your fingertips. I'm not flipping you the bird. You know what? It actually worked. You can still see pores, but not as pronounced as here. Hopefully you can see what I'm saying. It does look a little bit hydrated as well. Let's see what it does on the forehead. It does have a very blurring effect. Look at that. How smooth that looks. I still can't get over the difference between between this side and this side. I wonder if by rubbing it in you're activating it. Like, is that like a thing? Let us erase the pores of my nose. What do we think, team? I put it on my nose. See how smooth that looks here? You can obviously you can still see some pores, but versus here, you see my pores and my freckles. They are a lot less visible on this side where I've applied it on the face, the cheeks, the nose, and on the forehead. Even the lines. See how you can still see them over this side versus how they are blurred on this side. Amazing. You know, I might actually just start using this. This was a request to do on men's skin without makeup. It does say that you can use it by itself. I think I've found a little magic potion of youth. You're gonna have to let me know what you think. We have the end result, team. I have applied it to my face as you saw before during application. You saw the difference between this side which I had applied to and this side which I did not. The pores and the fine lines stood out a lot more on this side. I have since put it on my whole face, and let me tell you, look at those pores. Or don't look at those pores because they aren't standing out anymore. Definitely going to keep using this product. One of the drawbacks, however, is when you first put it on, it does feel a little bit oily and it's got a bit of a slip to it. However, now that it's sat on my face for a little bit, I'd say maybe 2-3 minutes, it's actually sunk in and now there's no oil or sheen or slick to it anymore. Does it work? Yes, it does work. Is it going to prompt me to go out and buy foundation and put makeup on? No, it's not. But I'm definitely going to keep using this because it's really decreased the visibility of my pores and my fine lines. Big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, team. We know what we do at the end of this. If there's anything that you want me to review or want me to cover, don't be shy. Make sure you sound off down below. I always try to respond to the comments that come on in. Notify, subscribe, all the stuff. See you soon.